Hey, welcome back to Developing Tank. Today we're going to create a project. So we're here on the user landing page, right here, user landing page. Now I'm going to click right here to change project. There's two ways to change projects. One is right here on the user landing page, change project. And the other is right here on the header, drop down in my projects. This will list out all the projects you have. I'm going to do it this way. This also will list out all the projects you have. Click New Project. I'm going to call it my first great project. I'm going to select my project frame rate. And now the delineator here, that is whatever you want your, whatever character goes between your scene, your take, your camera, if you have MOS, any of that kind of stuff. So that it needs to be the same character and also needs to be the same character used in your visual effects and naming convention. Um, you can do an underscore, you can do a dash, you can do a space, you can do whatever you want really. And then here for your sequence, your naming convention, you can change it to sequence code, scene, starts with. So if you want it to always, it could be a couple words that always is hello and then whatever. Um, your scene and your shot number. So your scene and your sequence code, those can be letters or numbers. They can be any number of them. You can have four, three. Let's do starts with, you get to type in some text, or ends with is exactly, but your scene value is any letter or number. So you can have an A23, or you could just have a 23. If you do an A23, it would be need to be three values because that's A23. So you just would need to be sure to always have a leading zero, so it's always three values. We're going to create the project. Now here you see one team member, that's me. By clicking on it or going up here and going to projects, you can see members, wrong project. You can click members. Now you can invite other people to join it. You can give them roles as a read-only access, a viewer, an editor, or read and write access, or an admin so they can read it, they can write it, they can invite new people. They can also delete the project. They get full privileges. You get to see the invitations you've sent out. You can also edit your project settings. Now, all of your edits here are forward facing, so nothing you change here it won't go back to anything you've already uploaded and recheck it or change it.